Delighted to be joined here by Probal Seal, Managing Director of Elyzium. Probal, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you.
So, what does Elyzium really do then? Tell us a little bit more.
Well, we're a specialist system integrator. We've been around since 1998 and we've evolved over that time to take customers on a journey for their IT environments. So really, we specialise in the IBM portfolio of products, so very much around the IBM software portfolio, and we specialise in areas such as workload automation, and what we do is we automate customers' data centres so it minimises their costs in terms of both people and products.
Fantastic, so you're really kind of tailoring a solution, I suppose, to the customer, aren't you?
Yes, very much so.
So what do you really aim to achieve though at Elyzium? What's your main goal?
Well, our main goal is to be the trusted advisor for our end user organisations. So where they have specific requirements that we can fulfil, to show them that we are the best people to actually do that. Engage with them, show them the way, and lead them to a successful conclusion.
So who is the typical Elyzium customer then?
Well, our customers are varied in size and industry. There is no real typical organisation that we work with. What is common with those customers is that they have dynamic IT environments and changing business requirements that IT has to meet.
Fantastic. And how do you really help your clients solve their business problems then?
Well, we take their business requirements and translate those into IT solutions, so taking very much a consulting-led approach, using the knowledge that we have together with the requirements that the customer has and the end user organisation's people in actually translating those into IT solutions.
Yeah.
And then the benefit that we provide is actually delivering that solution.
Yeah, it's really tailoring it, I suppose, as well.
Yes, very much so.
So what really sets Elyzium apart from, say, your competition?
What sets us apart are our people. We're very much a people-based organisation. We have a large number of consultants, and what we provide is the technical expertise. So we spend a lot of time and investment in actually making sure that our consultants know the latest and greatest with all the technology trends that are going on and how to translate those into the solutions that we provide.
So what advancements in technology, generally speaking, do you really think is going to have an impact on the way how Elyzium does business?
Well, the IT market is moving rapidly these days. With the introduction of cloud and new technologies, we're taking customers on a journey from their on-premises data centres into the cloud. And moving workloads is a challenging task for organisations, and automating that is one of the biggest things that we see in the future for our customers. This then enables them to adopt new technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes, and new areas such as blockchain. We've got a lot of customers that are looking at that at the moment, but how they get from where they are today to that new position is very difficult for them.
That's a really interesting point, and obviously nobody can fully predict what is going to happen with future technologies or anything like that necessarily. However, what do you think the impact is going to be, say, for you guys in the next, say, 2 to 5 years' time? Is there a sort of particular business plan or somewhere where you think Elyzium is going to go to?
Well, there isn't a 5-year plan because the market's changing too rapidly. So really we have to keep abreast of the new technologies that are coming down the pipe, as it were, and investing in making sure that our consultants and our delivery teams can meet those requirements for the solutions that we have. So in terms of how we automate the workload within the new environment, whether that's based on a platform as a service environment or specific applications within the cloud, that's what's going to dictate our future in terms of our investments within IT.
Why should customers choose your organisation?
Well, we're very much a people-based organisation, so it's the knowledge of our consultants that really differentiates us from the competition, and that's why organisations tend to work with us. Typically, organisations won't have heard of Elyzium before unless they're very much within the IBM space, and so we have to build that trust with those organisations, and we do that through the references of our existing customers. So where we've delivered successful solutions before, we can then reference that with the new prospects that we have.
And what outcomes can potential customers expect to work with Elyzium?
In short, a successfully delivered solution. That's really what customers want. Where they have their business requirements translated to IT solutions that actually deliver what they need and are manageable, reliable, available and scalable. That's really what they're looking for.
Probal, thanks very much for that insight, and there's no reason why no customer would want to go to you then.
Thank you very much.